Hey guys, welcome to my video. For this video, I'm gonna share my ideas and understanding about marine environment and its impact to humans, animals, and shipping, and explain the Marpol Convention, history, as well as the 6 annexes of Marpol. So before we start it, camera rolling. First, we need to define what is marine environment. So marine environment are the seas, bays, estuaries, and other major water bodies, including their surface interface and interaction with the atmosphere and with the land seaward of the mean high water marks. The next question is, what are the sources of marine pollution and its impact hazard to humans, animals, and shipping industry? So, there are two activities that causes marine pollution. The land-based activities and the sea-based activities. In the land-based activities like municipal waste, sewage disposal, and industrial waste from the product facilities in coastal areas. While in the sea-based activities like collision of tankers that causes oil spill, disposal of non-biodegradable like plastic and ballast and deballast, and etc. The impact of this pollution on animals is that the sea creature will die, like fish, sea turtles, and other species, and also it's destroy the habitat that caused by oil spill. It also affect on humans by chemicals such as oil, mercury, lead, pesticide, and other heavy metals that can be all found within the ocean and can contaminate the water supply and our food chain by the affecting marine life involved, as well as the shipping industry, because it's hard for them to transport goods, especially to that certain area. Then your cargo might be affected or damaged by the pollution on it. And lastly, explain the Marpol Convention, history when it was adopted, entered into force, and its objective, including all the regulation of Marpol Annex 1 to 6. The International Convention for the Prevention of the Pollution from Ship, or what we call Marpol, is the main international convention covering prevention of the pollution of the marine environment by ship from operational or accidental causes. It was adopted at the International Maritime Organization, or what we call IMO, in 1973. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to the number of tankers accident in 1976 to 1977. The 1978 Protocol was absorbed into the Parents Convention, and the combined instrument attained into forces in 1983. In 1987, a protocol was adopted to amend the convention, and the new Annex 6 was added, which came into force in May 2005. Then technical requirement for Marpol included in 6 separate annexes. So, Annex 1 is the regulation for the prevention of pollution by oil. So, this convention was designed to minimize the pollution of sea from ship. It also introduced the ideas of the certain areas which are considered to be the risk of all pollution. Annex 2 is the regulation for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substance in boat. The main principle of Annex 2 is to dilute cargo to reduce the sea waters and prescribe the limits depending on the pollution hazard and facilitate the discharge and utilize the weed of the ship. Annex 3 is the regulation for the prevention of pollution by the harmful substance in package form. Harmful substances are identified as marine pollutants in International Maritime Dangerous Code or known as IMDG Code. Annex 4. It is a regulation for the prevention of pollution by the sewage from ship. It contains a set of regulations regarding the discharging of sewage in the sea from the ship. Annex 5 is the regulation for the prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. It's aimed to eliminate and to reduce the amount of garbage that being dumped in the sea. from ship. Annex 6. It is a regulation for the prevention of air pollution from ship, and it causes air pollution in the seas from ongoing ship.